Welcome to the world of marketing. Marketing is the process of identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customer needs and wants through the creation, promotion, and distribution of products and services. It involves researching and understanding the target market, developing and implementing strategies, and measuring the success of those strategies. There are four main elements of the marketing mix: product, price, place, and promotion. Product refers to the goods or services being offered. Price refers to the amount that a customer must pay to acquire the product or service. Place refers to the location or distribution channel through which a product or service is sold. Promotion refers to the various methods used to communicate with customers, such as advertising, public relations, and sales promotions. One of the most important aspects of marketing is understanding the target market. This includes researching and identifying the needs and wants of the target market, as well as understanding their demographics, psychographics, and behaviors. Marketing also involves developing and implementing strategies to reach the target market. This may include creating a marketing plan, setting marketing objectives, and identifying the marketing mix that will be used to reach the target market. Finally, it's important to measure the success of marketing strategies. This can be done through market research, such as surveys and focus groups, as well as by analyzing sales data and customer feedback. Marketing is an ever-evolving field, and it's essential to stay current on the latest trends and best practices. The use of digital marketing and data analytics are becoming increasingly important in today's fast-paced business environment. In conclusion, marketing is a vital function for any business, and it involves identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customer needs and wants through the creation, promotion, and distribution of products and services. It is an ever-evolving field, and staying current on trends and best practices is essential for success.